Okay, welcome back kids. In this video, today we will start with Pacman game. Hope all are excited. Okay, let's go. Let's click on my stuff tab here. Create new project. With this video, I have attached a resource file. Try to download that file, unzip it, and let's import in this project. I have saved here. I will right click and then extract to Pacman. I got the folder. Now in my project, I will click File, Load from Computer. In Resources, I have Pacman, and then Open. Okay. Now we are ready with the backdrop and with the sprites which are required for this game. Okay. Now let's start the actual programming for Pacman. See, Pacman is very interesting game, but at the same time it is very lengthy game, and there are series of steps that we need to program for each and every action. So you need to be patient and learn step by step thoroughly. Please concentrate on each and every step that we go. Okay, now let's understand each and everything of the screen. Okay, we'll start with the backdrops. In this backdrops we have two questions. Okay, level 1 and level 2. You can make your own levels by yourself, taking an example of these two levels. Okay, for now we will go with level 1 and level 2. If we go back to Pacman, this Pacman sprite also has 5 questions. Pacman 1, mouth open, wider, again goes mouth open, and then the 5th one is the collision. Collision will be used when Pacman collides with the walls. I will show you how to use this when we actually start programming. Then we have Inky, Winky, Blinky, Pinky, Clyde. These 4 are the enemies will try to eat Pacman. Okay, the 5th one is running when Pacman tries to catch the enemy, and the last is dead when the Pacman kills the enemy. Okay, if you go down further, they also have a collision costume because they also collide with the walls. Okay, move ahead with the power pill. This power pill will give energy to the Pacman, so we will place this at some distance or at particular distance for Pacman to get energy and to fight with the enemy. Fruits have many questions, but I'll go with this cherry one. Fruits will give Pacman one more life. Then we have overlays. Overlays means game over. Press start, ready, you win. So these are some text which we will use while creating a Pacman game. Then we have dot. All of you note, this game contains dots throughout the maze which Pacman has to eat. Okay, so these are the sprites which we will use, and these are the backdrops for 2 levels. Okay, now let's start the actual program. Okay, now we'll start our coding. Let's click on the code tab and then click on Pacman, because we'll start our coding with Pacman. As you see, the Pacman position is in the center, right? So let's go to events. When flag clicked, Okay, then it should go to the position. So motion go to x and y. X is 0 and y is minus 80. Correct? The current position of the Pacman, which is correct. Then I will ask it to point in direction. Point in direction should be 90 towards the right, the natural flow. Okay. After this, we should click on looks and then click on show. Okay. Why? Because Pacman should be visible on the maze throughout the game. Okay. The Pacman can move only in specific direction, either to the right or left or up or down. Okay, so 4 direction and the fifth one is to stay in the current position. Clear? Pacman can move around only in the clear space of the maze. It cannot go to the corners of the maze, something like this. So you have to put conditions on each and every move of the Pacman. Okay, so how to do that? To specify the limitations of the Pacman, we have to take variables. Okay, let's go to variables. We'll make variable. We'll make variable for this sprite only because we are talking about Pacman. We'll take first variable as a speed. Okay. Now we'll set the speed. We'll set the speed to 2. Okay. Now we'll make, I'll explain you why 2 later on. Okay. We'll make another variable directions. Direction also for this sprite only. Okay. So now we have 2 variables for Pacman, speed and direction. Direction can be either up, down, left, right or the 0. Okay, 0 means the current location. Clear? Now for Pacman to move, we have some set of instructions. For that we'll go to control. In control we'll take forever loop. In control we'll take forever loop. In forever loop we'll take if condition. If condition with operators. Operator of equal to. Why? Because we are talking about direction up and down. So right up. We had taken a variable direction. So we have to check that if Pacman goes up, then we have to set the direction. So to move we have to go to down. Down means y-axis. So we have to change what? Change y. Change y by not 10 but actually with it should match with our speed. So we'll go to variables and we'll drop speed there instead of 10. Okay. We have to again put a if condition for down. So right click, duplicate. We'll place this if condition below this one. If the direction is down, then change y by, it should be negative. So you should go to operator, take this one, take this one and put it over here. The speed will go down. So we'll say here 0 minus speed. So it will become negative. Now I will select the complete block, okay, and duplicate. So this if condition will go under this one. Now we will write direction left and right. So here it will be left. Now left and right, what should change? Not y, it should be x. So remove this one, go to motion, change what? X. So change x by what? If it is left, as I have taught you before, it should be negative. So here go to operators, okay, operator, this one, 0 minus variables, 1 second, okay, 0 minus speed, okay, I'll put speed here and here I'll put 0, okay. Now up, down, left is done. We have to write right, R capital, Same way here, L should be kept. Okay. Now right means positive. So we don't need this operator. We'll put it back. Here we need only speed, but not Y. So let's remove this full control. Go to motion, change X. Okay, and then go to variables, click on speed. Clear? Now this is done. Direction up, down, left, right. Okay. Now before we move forward, we have to specify the direction. So let us set a direction. Direction here. Set the speed and direction to right. Okay. Let's see how it works. It goes, keeps on moving. Correct? Same way, if we write, let's bring it to 0 first. Okay. Now let's make it up and then play. So our direction command works properly, but it works randomly. Correct? It should go only in the black open space. Okay. It should not overlap the blue lines, nor it should cross the maze. Now how to restrict this, let's learn in our next video. Thank you.